Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice easily. The secret to perfect fried rice starts with using day-old, cold rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy. Having all your vegetables and protein chopped and ready before you even turn on the stove is crucial for a smooth cooking process. A large wok or a spacious skillet is your best friend here, allowing everything to cook evenly and quickly. Before the heat goes on, get everything prepped. Dice your favorite vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and onions, into small, uniform pieces for quick cooking. If you are adding protein like chicken or shrimp, cook it completely and set it aside. Don't forget to whisk 2 or 3 large eggs in a small bowl. These will add richness and flavor to your dish. Now for the exciting part, the frying. Heat about 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil, like canola or peanut oil, in your wok until it's shimmering. Quickly stir-fry aromatics such as minced garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add your chopped vegetables, cooking them for 3 to 4 minutes until they are tender crisp, maintaining their vibrant color. Almost done. Push your cooked vegetables to one side of the wok and pour in your whisked eggs, scrambling them until just set. Now, add your cold rice and any pre-cooked protein, breaking up any clumps. Drizzle in about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir-fry everything together for 2 to 3 minutes until heated through and well combined.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.